Hello, friends. Do you want to speak English fast? Use short and simple sentences every day. Repeat the same words again and again. Practice speaking with daily life routine. Let's start with after-school routine.
I come back home. I open the door. I take off my shoes. I put my shoes near the wall. I feel a little tired. I drop my school bag. I put my bag on the table. I take a deep breath. I look around the house. I call my mom. I say, "Mom, I am home." Mom smiles at me. She says, "Welcome back." I drink a glass of water. Water makes me feel fresh. I wash my hands. I go to my room. I sit on the bed. I feel better. Now, school is over for today.
Open my cupboard. I take out home clothes. I change my uniform. I fold my uniform. I keep it in the cupboard. I wear a soft t-shirt. I wear light pants. I feel more comfortable. I look in the mirror. I smile at myself. I brush my hair. I feel neat and clean. I go to the kitchen. The food smells nice. Mom has cooked rice. She has cooked chicken too. I wash my hands again. I sit at the dining table. Mom serves the food. I say, "Thank you, Mom." I start eating slowly. I enjoy my lunch.
I go back to my room. Then I close the curtains. I lie on my bed. I take a short nap. I rest my eyes. I feel relaxed. I don't sleep for long. I wake up fresh. I stretch my body. I feel light again. I sit at my study table. I open my school bag. I take out my books. I take out my notebooks. I sharpen my pencil. I start my homework. I write answers. I read a chapter. I practice some math. I solve problems. I check my spelling. I ask Mom for help. She explains the work. I complete my homework. I put them back in my bag. I feel happy. My homework is done. I go outside. I meet my friends. We play in the park. We run around. We laugh loudly. We play with a ball. We ride our bikes. We jump on swings. We slide down. We shout with joy. We enjoy the evening. We play till sunset. Then we go home. I wash my hands again. I sit at the table. Mom gives me snacks. I eat a sandwich. I drink some juice. I enjoy the taste. I talk with Mom. She asks about my friends. I open my books again. I read for half an hour. I revise the lesson. I underline new words. I write some notes. I read them aloud. I practice English reading. I practice English speaking. I repeat small sentences. I say them many times. I feel more confident. Thade comes home. I run to hug him. He smiles at me. We sit in the living room. We talk together. We watch TV. We share our day. We laugh together. I love family time. I help Mom in the kitchen. I put plates on the table. They bring spoons and glasses. We all sit together. We start eating dinner. We talk while eating. I eat slowly. The food is healthy. I drink water. I thank my mom. Dinner is done. I go to my room. I take my nightdress. I change my clothes. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I comb my hair. I put my bag near the door. I keep my shoes ready. I arrange my books. I check my homework. I set my alarm. I turn off the light. I lie on my bed. I close my eyes. I thank God. I feel sleepy. I sleep with peace. I walk back from school. I hold my bag in my hand. The sun is hot. The road feels long. I see my house. I walk faster. I reach the gate. I open the door. I step inside. I feel safe. I take off my shoes. I put them neatly. I say, "Home, sweet home." I put my bag on the table. I take out my water bottle. I drink water. It feels cool. I call, "Mom, I am home." Mom answers, "Welcome back, dear." I feel happy. Shadow English practice. Say with me. I am home. Repeat. I am home. Say again. I am home. I go to my room. I open the cupboard. I take out fresh clothes. I change my uniform. I fold it nicely. I put it on the shelf. I wear a soft t-shirt. I wear loose pants. I feel free. I brush my hair. I look in the mirror. I smile. I say I look fine. I feel relaxed. Shadow English practice. Say I look fine. Repeat. I look fine. One more time. I look fine. I go to the kitchen. I smell food. Mom is cooking. She says, "Wash your hands." I wash my hands. I sit at the table. Mom serves rice. She gives chicken too. I say, "Thank you, Mom." She gives chicken too. I say, "Thank you, Mom." I start eating. I eat slowly. I drink water. The food is tasty. I eat an apple too. I feel full. I say, "That was good." Mom smiles. She says, "Eat well. Grow well." Shadow English practice. Say, "That was good." Repeat. That was good. Again. That was good. That was good. I go to my room. I close the curtains. I lie on my bed. I feel soft sheets. I close my eyes. I take a nap. I rest my body. I rest my mind. Time passes fast.